Hi, welcome. Welcome to our first video review on software. This software we are going to review today is actually OChat. So it's a business messaging software. So it's an omni-channel. So let's check it out and see how this software works. So yeah, let's see. Hi, so we are in this old chat their homepage. So according to them, this software is actually a live chat software and also there's a CRM system inside where you can connect all the messaging app in one software. So meaning you can manage all your business chat in one location. So they have a 14-day free trial and also free onboarding support if you are on board. And they don't charge on any integration. Some software, even though you want to start free trial, right, there's a credit card required to collect. But in this case, this software do not need any credit card required. Okay, so okay, this is the function, the benefit they mentioned. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's jump into the software. If you want to sign up this software account, so you can just click on this start your free 14 days free trial, this link. You will lead you to a sign up page. Just now, this is where I click. Okay, and then after the review, we'll go into the pricing. So I have take an initiative to sign up in the first place, already sign up. So let me log into the account. Uh, okay, let's see. Okay, here we are. Log in. So they are actually, I created three workspaces just now for testing purpose. So this workspace is actually one workspace can connect to one Facebook account, one Facebook Messenger, one WhatsApp, one just now we have can connect fairly quite a lot of channels just now. Can connect to WeChat, can connect to Line. You can connect to each one. So once you're connected, you'll stay connected there. Like for example, this WhatsApp API, there's only one number. One Facebook Messenger, there's only one Facebook Messenger account, so on and so forth. So if you want to connect more, right, you need to create multiple workspaces. All right. So this is how you manage all the workspace, all the business chats in one location. So and then they do have a mobile app in Android and iOS. Where you click this link, it will actually lead you to the Google Play Store, and this one is Apple App Store to download the app itself. So yeah, I think that is quite good. This is the notification. If there's in any incoming message notification, you will just s- bring here like this. This one is actually, I think, is their admin. This is their admin account features. Admin notification from OChat lah, basically. So yeah, then after that, you can switch between workspaces. By the way, you just click and then you switch jump to the workspaces. So in this case, right, I've connected to this number, my fake number. So yeah, try and tested to send a message, and it works. So if you connect, because right now I only connect WhatsApp, so there are Facebook Messenger, Line, so on and so forth. If you connect everything, so I believe all the messages will come in here. So this is WhatsApp. So and then so on and so forth. There's a WeChat logo. Also everything will be here. Telegram, so you can play around, or even conveniently you can just swap this workspace here. If you click right, so you can actually reply here. So this is a WhatsApp API, right? So if it's WhatsApp API, right, you cannot actually there's a rules and regulation actually. So the WhatsApp API, right, you have a 24 hours window to send the message. Send multiple messages, come back forth with your clients, all this kind of stuff. So if let's say your client did not reply you or respond you anymore for more than 24 hours, the message will auto log like this. 24 hours has passed, you can only send template message. So you cannot just send a normal message. So this template message, right, has to be approved by what's so Meta has to approve first. Once they approve this message, then only you can send it out. So yeah, you have to first approve the message first, then only you can send it out. So how to create this one, right? It's actually you create at the guard there. When you connect the channel during that time, you can create over there. So and then once you created over there, right? So you automatic sync with this software. Whatever title you put there, you automatically see here, then you can send it out. This is the WhatsApp template which I created for one. All right. So yeah, this is it. And then I click here and you can see a mini CRM system here where you can save all your contact details of the person. All right. So you can actually just do edit. Uh, you can insert tag also, like you can insert tag. So this tag you can name this tag is follow up, this customer is follow up. So then after that you can then filter the tag here. You can filter the tag here. So yeah, it's a bit laggy though. So you can filter a tag and then the conversation will be filtered based on what. So if let's say your tag is follow up, there's a follow up, there's a lost customer or so on and so forth lah. So whatever tag you want to create, you can create. So actually you create from here. You see, this is the tag you can create from here. So let me later jump on this. So you can save all these details. So once you're done, right, you can close the conversation right here. I think it's quite good. There's a whisper here. Oh, okay. So I think this whisper, right, just now I tested also, it is whisper to your team member actually. So let's say, right, you have a team member, right? Uh, you have the team member between this and this, right? So you can whisper to the team member, and then it will appear here in orange color if I'm mistaken. It will appear in orange color, but it will not be whispering to the like for example, hi, this customer is looking for you. Okay. And then you can transfer the conversation to him or her. You can assign the conversation to him or her. Something like, oh, there's a error came up. Hmm. Okay. All right. So there you go. You can transfer the conversation to Vera, and then yeah, that's it. Then yeah, I think that's it. You can transfer and then they will actually look into it. The Vera there will receive the conversation, notification email saying that, oh, your team member has actually PM you, pass you the conversation of this customer is looking for you, things like that. Yeah, I think it's quite good lah. Except for some little bugs here and there. Okay, so I think all contact is here, all contact is saved here. All contact is saved here automatically. Yeah, it's processing issue. You can even create your own contact. You can even import, export your contact out, and you can download the template file. So you follow the template file and fill in the contact. So, wow, that's no. Okay, yeah, there you go. There's an email coming in. All right. So, sorry, let's go to broadcast. So there is a broadcast message. So this function, I guess, if I'm not mistaken, is like broadcast WhatsApp message to your users. So the tag just now I put is just simply put ABC. Uh, just like I tested the broadcast, right? The broadcast is actually based on tag. Whatever tag you put, right, they'll ask you who you want to send to. So you will send based on the tag that you have tagged along with the contacts. Okay, let's see. Okay, because I connected to WhatsApp only, so it appears only Gasharp here. So I believe if you connect more, you will have a list of channels appeared here. And then you can schedule now, schedule later. You can send reminder. This reminder, I think, is birthday or something. I'm not sure how to do. I need to ask the caller. So if it's birthday, I think it's quite amazing lah. Okay, send birthday reminder. So you based on the contact information that you have insert. So this schedule now is actually quite okay. So this template message, I think, is the template message that referring to the uh, maybe you can just put a test campaign, test broadcast. Uh, so this is the template message is based on the one that is approved by WhatsApp. Yeah. And then they will ask you which one you want to send to based on what tag like that. Yeah. So this is okay. Actually a broadcast. Workflow as in I went through it. So this workflow is actually an automation based on the response given by your customers. So if your customer say some keyword in it, so you will send out a message. So let's see. If we create a workflow, so it looks like this actually. It is quite user friendly. I've actually tested it, so it's quite user friendly, the workflow. So if I think the conversation is open, right? When the conversation is open, then what you are telling system to do is actually send out a message. So let's say you welcome, send a welcome message. Maybe perhaps you can call them to click one um, for product info, click two for some course, or I don't know, let's say warranty period, warranty expiration date, so and so forth. So three, talk to live agent. Okay, so based on the video I saw, or you can even insert a file, and also there's a first name, last name, first welcome message, first name, and there's an okay, first name is here, last name seems like it's not appearing up there, so I have to manually cut and paste. Okay, well, it's not a big deal, but yeah. So and then send a message, and then that according to their video, they show the received message, right, is actually they press one, and then there's a two here. So yeah, so you just type whatever. If let's say people press one, you give them the product info. Press two. If let's say press two, press send message two, and then three. All right. If three, right, you need to transfer the line, I believe. So you transfer the line here. If I'm not mistaken, you can transfer here. Yeah, you can transfer here. So you can choose to transfer to here or here. So yeah, and then you just enter your workflow name, and voila. I think you'll be safe. The workflow will be starting. And then there is other functions such as on business hour and off business hour. What is this? Okay, off business hour. Okay, so I think this one integration is not that. I mean the learning curve is quite need something need your own need someone to guide you. I think the old chat team need to guide you on this on how to use it because the learning curve is quite steep. You don't know what is this and how to set up on business hour off business hour. So yeah, okay. So let's see. Oh, okay. So this on business hour, off business hour, right? Just later I'll show it to you. I remember mistaken, there's a setting there. There's a business hour we can set. So The system will be based on the business hour you set over at the setting there, and then you will send the message. So if it's all business hour, you can say, sorry, now we are off business hour. We will leave us a message. Leave us a message. We will get back to you soon. Oh, okay. I think this is pretty good. All right. So yeah. So basically, this is some basic idea after I play around in it. So yeah, there are other function needs to learn. Okay. So let's go to other functions. So there's an analysis reporting here. So because I signed up for this account, right, it's quite new. So the analysis is nothing right now. So yeah, conversation is nothing, response is nothing. I believe there's something here, so we will have something here. So you can see a broadcast analytic over here. All right, quick reply I play around just now. I For me, I think this quick reply, right, is quite similar to workflow. So if you use the quick reply, you use the workflow, you don't use quick reply, because quick reply is just basically detect the keywords. So you have the workflow, you don't have to do quick reply because it's quite redundant, the functions. And yeah, WhatsApp template. So just like I mentioned, like you can create a WhatsApp template, right? So I created an Dashboard account, so automatically it populate here. So if it's approved by WhatsApp, right, it will show approved. If it's not approved, right, it will show a red color disapprove or something like that. All right. Okay. And then snippet. Actually, snippet is quite useful. When you reply message, like just now, I did see when can do quick reply. Let's try and create some test snippet. Test, test. I think this snippet is a quick reply based on the tutorial they've given, right? So this snippet is actually a reply. I think it's quite convenient. If you send a message there, so you can do a quick reply. So you don't have to every time type a long message. Um, you can invite your employees over here, which is I think quite good. Contact field. Okay. I think this is basically the contact field based on the custom contact field. So just now, right, the contact is upload new contact, right? There's a limited field. By default, this is the default field. So if you add a new field, right, so it will actually show like for example, you do a custom field here called birthday, and then you appear there. So birthday, let's say you want birthday is date, right? So you put a date here. Let's add the custom field. So I think right here, if I'm not mistaken, you can see birthday. There you go. Yeah, as I expected. So you can set the birthday, and then I think this one is actually related to the broadcast there. The reminder. If you still remember, the reminder there where you can set the broadcast. This one, yeah, this one. Oh, now your birthday. Oh, okay, okay. So I know how it works. So when you set the birthday based on that, so you send out the message, schedule the time, the date, and so on and so forth, and then it will send out automatically based on that time. All right. And support, I think is the help desk or something, right? Yeah, it's the help desk. Yeah, help desk. Tag is okay. The tag is just not the one I created just now. So you can create whatsoever tag here. So then you can tag on contact. Then the broadcast there will ask you want to blast to which tag. All right. So yeah, basically this is the overall I find out about this software. All right. Yeah. So okay. So basically that's it then. Right. So since we have tested it, right, so let's go into their pricing. So I'm on the pricing page. So they have an annual plan and lifetime plan. So basically the lifetime plan is actually pay once and use forever. Okay, so they have starter, pro, business. Okay, so one admin member, I think it's same. Two at team member, five team member. Okay, so it depends on your business size. So I think they are more catered to the SME. Wondering whether they can increase this 20. Let's say people have the company have more than 20 team member want to access the software. Okay, so there's a GB storage. I assume that it's all storage of the space. All right, so like message contribute storage, image contribute storage, video contribute storage. And then just now I don't see any. I can delete the message. So I don't see any function you can delete message. So I assume that once the incoming message come in, it will continue to consume your storage until it reaches 5 GB. Okay, but actually 5 GB is quite a lot. Just a messaging, they give you 3 months support annual. If lifetime, if annual, they don't have the lifetime. They don't have the 3 month free. So they just like this. I think this is basically the same. Let's see. They have unlimited workspace. Okay, meaning any plan can enjoy unlimited workspace. Unlimited messages, contact, broadcast. Okay. SLA is okay. SLA means why got three dot means what? Let's see. Standard size of will be attended within if the problem is too complex. Okay, so basically they tell you if the problem is too complex, it will take 48 hours, but usually it will be settled within 48 hours. Free onboarding. Yeah, one time onboarding. Okay, so I think this integration, everything you need someone to guide you, and how to use the software also need someone to guide you. Uh, they have a mark here: WhatsApp web and Instagram. 1 star. 1 star. Features that are coming soon. Okay, so means it's not there yet. Okay, so basically there's a WhatsApp API, Facebook, all this. Yeah, you can connect. There's a okay. Just now we went through it already. There's this function has not yet come. Okay, coming soon, coming soon. Okay, so if let's say you want to connect to a custom channels where you do not find your channels that you want to connect, so you want to do a custom channel, maybe perhaps you use Zoho or other live chat system or other CRM system where you want to connect. They do custom integration, but there will be additional charges, basically. Yep. Okay, additional fee and add-on, meaning to say that if the data is exceeded what you buy, let's see, just now the GB storage GB is 20 GB, 50 GB. If you exceeded 50 GB, of course, if you sign up for starter plan, if you exceed, you just upgrade lah. I think it will be more savvy because cost efficient. But if you are enterprise already, 50 GB, if you want to finish the 50 GB already, you want to upgrade, right? So basically, you just upgrade another 50, add on another 50 GB. Okay, so basically additional charges. Not sure how much is it. So team member, if let's say you need more team member, more than 20 team member for the most expensive plan, you need more than that. So add on, I think you need to inform them, contact them. They will actually give you a quotation based on it. And yeah, this is the charges for WhatsApp fee. Okay, so WhatsApp fee, right? Actually, there's a WhatsApp charges for 1,000 free user initiated conversation. It means that first 1,000 user initiated conversation, meaning your customer PM you first, message you first, message you as a business first, is free for first 1,000, and then after that, exceeding 1,000 conversation, it will charge you 0.022 per conversation. As for business initiated conversation means you initiate the conversation to your customer, it will be charges based on 0.0732. Conversation, it means that I went through the WhatsApp API. So basically, I do have some knowledge on this. Business initiated conversation means you between your customer, right? Whoever who initiate the conversation, both of you have a 24 hours window to continue the conversation. So if your customer, if your user did not reply you back to a business, do not reply you as a business back, so you will actually lock your conversation. So the window is 24 hours. So if let's say 24 hours, there's no reply here and forth, you will lock the conversation. So after that, you lock already. If you as a business want to initiate the conversation again, you need to send out. You need to pay money lah. Basically, pay 0.0732 per conversation. So not only that, if you connect to Gushsharp API, you need to pay to Gushsharp as well. 360 dialog is actually slightly more expensive. Wait a second. I'm not sure why this. Okay, there's a message. Yeah, slightly more expensive, 49 euro dollar. Okay. So they do an example here on the calculation. All right, so it seems like Gushsharp pay per use is more effective. If you have never used it before, I think this is better. All right, it's better. Line, you do need to pay also. So basically, they can connect many channels, right? From what I see, is WhatsApp need to pay, Line need to pay, WeChat need to pay. All other channels available inside there do not need to pay. So these are the fees that need to pay not to this company, but need to pay directly to Meta, directly to, if WhatsApp is Meta, if Line is the Line company, if WeChat is WeChat company. Yeah. So these are paid based on subscription. Uh, based on subscription. This is, they mentioned here 99 per year already for WeChat business account. Okay. There's a video of price explanation. Maybe you can view here. Okay. So basically, this is it. Yeah, you can go through it. This one. Okay. Basically, this is it. All right. Yep. This is it. There's nothing much. Okay, so basically, this is it. So I actually went through it. So based on what I have seen, the app, the idea is good, is convenient. All right. So based on the first thing is ease of use. So first thing, ease of use is not so good lah. I mean, not so easy. You need the old chat team to support you. Secondly, as for functionality, whatever I can think of, the function there is there. Except like for example, if let's say you're running an e-commerce, um, whether you can send the product, to them to show this product to buy or that product to buy. There's no e-commerce function there yet, as I see. So it's not a messaging commerce. So it's just a pure messaging conversation between business and customers. Okay, so it's intuitive. Well, you need help from the OChat support. So this type of software, a lot of integration. As you can see, each channel require each integration setup. So each integration, some need money, some do not need money. So I think it's best if the OChat team can actually help you to support here. Learning curve, well, yeah, you definitely definitely you need some learning curve here. So sometimes you don't even know it's a bug issue or whether it's something that you do not know. So you don't know. So and then yeah, and then yeah, missing features. I feel there is some missing features. If let's say the features you need require more, so there are some missing features that definitely, like I said just now, the commerce features do not have. Okay, payment gateway integration do not have. All right. Yeah, and then team collaboration, but at least they have a custom integration for you. They do have a custom integration, which is, I mean, good, but actually you need to pay extra lah, extra money for that, for a custom integration. I think, but I believe that they manually help you integrate between your software and OChat software. Yeah. And then team collaboration, definitely no issue on that. They can actually you can actually invite your employee to do the collaboration. Integration also quite easy. No, sorry, my bad. Integration, you do need their help. You do need their help to integrate. As for pricing, just now the cheapest is 290 US dollar per year. uh, and also there's a lifetime. So if you do not like to pay every year, you can pay one shot lifetime. That then so pricing there is quite flexible, except there's no monthly. So yeah. So I think beside this, there's nothing much. So I feel this software for me uh is quite it is okay, it's quite good. So for you to play around, yeah. So yeah. So perhaps I could review other similar software like this, so can see compare what kind of uh differences between them. Okay. Yep. So thank you for watching. So remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Ciao.